Hey, so where's my skincare girls at? This is our TimeWise Repair. This is like the Cadillac of skincare. So this is a perfect regimen for someone who's looking for the best skincare out there. We do have other regimens, but this is the one I'm going to talk about right now. So look at how beautiful this is. You guys, this is such a good deal. So I'll tell you how much the set is at the end of this quick video, but just know we have a special for you just for being on with us today and taking the time to learn a little bit more about what we do and what we offer. So I am actually going to read some of the actual brochure that comes with your TimeWise Repair Set. So we have a foaming cleanser. So the one in the box, I'm not taking out. This is mine. So that's why it looks a little emptier. This is the foaming cleanser. And this is what it says. Here's what it says. Lathers into a moisture-rich cashmere soft foam that gently sweeps away complexion-dulling impurities as it leaves skin feeling deeply cleansed, revitalized, and hydrated. It is so nice. I love the foaming cleanser. This is actually my favorite Mary Kay cleanser by far. And then we have, anybody know what the triangle of youth is? So like from here, right, is this triangle, because we know we're not getting any younger, right? And we start to show aging in certain places before others. So you can reclaim your triangle of youth and lift everything up where it used to be, where it's supposed to be. And this is going to make a huge difference. This is our lifting serum. So the Advanced Lifting Serum, our most precise and powerful serum ever, helps sagging skin along the cheeks and jawline appear visibly lifted. Y'all, if I could put this on my whole body, I would. This stuff is amazing. It feels amazing. It smells amazing. By the way, this skincare is all paraben-free, fragrance-free, alcohol-free, oil-free. It doesn't have fragrance in it. It just smells like the ingredients. And I will read a little bit from our beauty book too, a little bit of the science of the Voluform complex, which is in the TimeWise Repair Set. It has plant stem cells, which mimic our skin cells and help your skin do what it used to do when you were 5 and repair itself more effectively. A biomimetic peptide, and a skin volume supporting peptide. So it's really just helping to support what your skin is supposed to do anyway. And then next we have Restore with our Voluform Day Cream, and this is a broad spectrum SPF 30. This restores the look of skin's youthful cushion and even tone, helps protect against skin aging UVA and UVB damage, increases skin moisture for 12 hours. And you guys, here's something that I just learned recently. Our sunscreens actually help block blue light damage too. So I can't tell you how many times I've heard people say, oh, well, I work for myself in the house. I work remotely. I don't go outside a lot. So no, I don't put sunscreen on. Well, when you're in front of your phone screen, a computer screen, your TV screen, it's emitting blue light and it's damaging your skin just like the sun. So you want to do your regimen whether you're leaving the house or not. So that is the day. And then we have Reactivate. So our night cream, and this has retinol in it. So this has a time release encapsulated retinol. So it actually feeds your skin small doses of retinol all throughout the night, which minimizes irritation because some people can be sensitive to retinol. It's a very good, very powerful ingredient. This is gentle and feeds your skin retinol while you're sleeping. So this says it fights the appearance of deep lines and wrinkles, increases skin moisture for 12 hours, plus, retinol is known to encourage surface cell turnover and renewal and support natural collagen and elastin. So on that note, this is a really important thing to make note of. You will not find any collagen in our products because your skin actually can't even absorb collagen. So there's lots of products that say contains collagen, on the label. Our labels are not flashy. Our products have claims that speak for themselves. So we don't have to put these buzzwords on our products. But if there is a product that you're using that says collagen on it, just know your skin can't actually absorb collagen. You can only take it internally or produce your own. So this is going to help your skin produce its own collagen and elastin like it's supposed to. And fun fact about these jars, look at how cool this is. So this is a vacuum sealed jar. So the product is not exposed to air, and this is how you get it out. You just push down and it just comes out. Look, ta-da! It's the perfect amount. So fun. So then you can put this all over. I think I'm going to put this back on here and use it tonight. So that is the night. And then last but not least, our eye cream. So this is the TimeWise Repair Eye Cream, Reawaken. So reawakens tired eyes and targets visible under eye bags, puffiness, dark circles, and sagging skin. Fun fact about this, it has a titanium applicator. So you squeeze a little bit of the eye cream out and you just apply it around your eyes with the applicator. And this applicator always stays cold because it's titanium. And that means that it reduces puffiness instantly. So this is so good, you guys. So the TimeWise Repair Set is $215. This is actually a 4 to 6 month supply, just depending on how much you're using. Some people go through it in 3 months because they just really like it and put a lot on, but it should be about a 4-ish month supply. And tonight you can actually get it on special from your consultant for just $199. So yay, saving money. All right, so that is the TimeWise Repair. Let us know if you have any questions. Thank you so much for tuning into this quick little commercial.